Hello viewers and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars. My name is Christos and I'm the owner of the home of beautiful cars. I'm about to show you a virtually brand new Bentley that's hundreds of thousands cheaper than a new car. Let's have a closer look. And here it is. This is a 2023 Bentley Continental GT. It's the S. It's the V8. It has only travelled 87 kilometres. Virtually brand new, only at the home of beautiful cars. A virtually brand new Bentley Continental GT S convertible. Hundreds of thousands of dollars cheaper than a new one. This car is going to be under $500,000. Only at the home of beautiful cars. Australia-wide delivery, finance arranged, magnificent.